I see a lot of parents, they will use a screen to help soothe or calm their young child, their baby. So I'd like to know what is a healthy amount of screen time.
Research indicates from 0 to 2, there should be no screen time. Not at all. And a lot of times you find that parents with a newborn baby, they put the baby Einstein, for example, video in. It's nice to put the nursery rhyme on, but don't put the screen on. That's wrong. The only kind of screen time you want to use is maybe if a family member FaceTimes. That's it.
Because I see a lot of parents, they will use a screen to help soothe or calm their young child, their baby. That shouldn't be happening at all.
No, you can have a music in the background. If you want
Sure.
it low, you have to be careful with the baby's eardrum. And that's not me, that's research. It is actually highly recommended not to have any screen time for the kids until they're 2. For children 2 to 5 years old, limited screen time to less than 1 hour a day. For children older than 5, limit screen time should be less than 2 hours a day.